Vlogmas days 12 through 15, and guys, it was literally a struggle, but obviously you can see that the end product we produced. Okay, do you see? Is this not the best that you can do at home? Is this not the best DIY project that you see out here? If you want to see from beginning to end how we did all of this here, it's super achievable and very easy to do. We are beginners at this. Make sure you guys go ahead and check in on this, and you obviously want to see the twins because they're super cute and we're celebrating their first birthday. So, okay guys, so I have my favorite person here with me, Erin. We have started birthday shenanigans. And we got Raven Elise playing in the background because we love some, what's the word? No, that's not the word. Inspiration. She's so inspirational. Look at her. Look at Zaya. So essentially what we're doing, we're going to do all of the prep stuff that we can do today in terms of decorations. So we are going to be doing all of the cutting, all of the designs that we have in our head. It is a Elmo / Cookie Monster themed party. So lots of red and blue. Yeah, we're gonna go from there. So, 1,000 hours later, we got all of our ships cut out. We looked at Lily's old video and figured out which ones, like how many we needed of each color. For the walls, we did 40 of each just to be safe. So that is done. We really haven't done much else, and we're actually just gonna go to bed. But this is such a tedious project that, y'all see my nails? Hold on. Do y'all see my nails? They're so cute. Go check out my last video. It's such a tedious project. To get this done first is great because we did it last time and it was awful. So yeah, more progress coming up. So, in regular bad luck tea out here, this is the birthday curse. So, for my birthday, I ordered a dress. I ordered this from this boutique. I got expedited shipping, paid $20 for that. It was just not gonna be here on time, even though I ordered it a week in, I ordered like 9 days in advance. It was supposed to be here in 3 business days. Did not show up. I find the same exact dress on Amazon, so I ordered it on Amazon, right? 2-day shipping, it's supposed to be here on Friday. I wanted to wear it on Saturday. Dress just never shows up. Long story short, they ended up having to refund me my money. Because the package literally didn't show up till like Wednesday, like the following week. Like, I don't know what was going on with that. So, fast forward now to the twins' birthday. I ordered these Elmo and Cookie Monster outfits for them to wear. Just little cute onesies. I ordered like 12 items. Somehow they all got split up, like how they always be playing games. And of course, the only thing that is not here are the onesies. I ordered these on Tuesday. It is now Friday. It was supposed to be here yesterday. They were supposed to re-deliver it today. They didn't. So now we have no onesies for the birthday party. The birthday curse lives on. I don't even know what to do now. I'm about to just throw them on a red and a blue onesie. I'm about to go find one to match the shoes and call it a day, because I'm not about to stress myself out about things that I cannot change, period. Do not stress yourself out about nothing that you can't change. All right. That's my advice for today. Okay. So we just got back from Walmart. I'm not even going to tell you how long we were waiting in line. Just to pay, which was ridiculous, but it's Walmart. And lo and behold, they came and saved the day, because guess what they had in the last size? Ding, 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 ding. Does this look like Elmo and Cookie Monster to y'all? Yes. Yes, it does. So we got a bunch of stuff, all of our last minute stuff that we needed. Hold on. It is currently 11:55. And we're about to start doing all of the desserts and just getting the decorations up. They're all in pieces right now, but we have a vision. So don't be worried, because T and Aaron are the best DIY team you'll ever see. Alright? Cheers to no sleep. Yeah, so a few hours have passed. It looks like we have the same amount of stuff done. But we don't. We did what did we do? We did these little, it's so dark in here, puff balls, you can't see, and these puff balls. All right, and now we're about to make the little faces for these, and you'll see them when we're hanging them up. Oh God, I'm almost tripping. We've done a lot of prep work for tomorrow, and then after we finish doing these, we'll probably go to bed because we have to get up early to make the cakes, so. Good morning, guys. It is literally 8 a.m. Me and Aaron just got up and we're about to start making cakes. We're going to make our own cakes, but we run out of time, so we're gonna make store-bought cakes because every time we do a party, no one eats the cake at all. Like, this is strictly for pictures. The only people who gonna eat it is the little kids, and the only people who got kids is me. So we're about to get to that now because I want to be done with everything by 2 so that I can have some time to get ready. So yeah, let's get to that now. Make sure you get some air inside of there. You gotta get up underneath it. Up underneath it. You gotta get underneath it.
Back in the day, we used to make this every day. Put it over our favorite butternut squash.
It's just mixing fast. I don't know.
Now we're just gonna go ahead and drizzle this over our favorite cereal.
Do you make the roll?
No.
I'm like,
Because I feel like, we gotta pick and choose. So maybe put that on super low and just we gotta hurry up and stir this fast. Because I think we need more rice. We are struggling, but we are winging it because these instructions were wild. AKA useless. 2 cakes here cooled. We got 4 cakes here cooled. And then cupcakes, we got Rice Krispie cooled. So we're going to level these out first. They're going to be 3 tier for each. They're both getting separate cakes, and then we're going to have little mini cupcakes. Monsters and Elmo's. Here's Cookie Monster, the cake, Elmo, the cake. It was really a struggle, guys. We had something completely different set for this, but our piping bag broke and it was a lot. We've gone through a lot for this, but they're cute. We're gonna take the pictures and just leave it at that. Guys, it's been so stressful. I'm very happy that we got everything done, but like, honestly, I think I might be done with DIYs. I'm lying. I love DIY projects, but it's really a lot. It was really a lot. And shout out to Aaron. Shout out to Britt and Lachae for helping with the bodies. I have a lot of family and friends here, and I actually just don't want to put them on camera. I'm sorry. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to definitely put like the happy birthday video right now at the end for you. So make sure you go ahead and check that out. But I will see you all in the next video. Wow. That's perfect. Thank you. Right there. Wow. Shout out to Rachel. She's done the backdrop. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Isaiah and Elijah. Happy birthday to you.
My little bottle.
Eli never wants to participate.
It's not good. If I get to that point, it's just very
Oh, he got it back fast. He got the whole pot in his mouth. Hi, how is the cake? Handsome. You gotta split. You done split to the rice meat. I'm such a mom.
Oh, you want to be a nurse?
And you got some of that blue. You didn't like it, huh? How's my other baby? Using your brother's new toy. Love you.
She's not okay.
But we got some babies, we got some arches, we got some cake smashing that happened, we got some sleeping babies.